What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python development. VS Code is one of the best editors for Python, offering great features like debugging, linting, and code intelligence. First, you'll need Python installed on your system. Head over to python.org/downloads and install the latest version of Python. If you're installing it on Windows, make sure to check the box that says Add python.exe to path during installation. This is important because it allows you to run Python commands in the terminal easily. Once Python is installed, open Visual Studio Code. To verify that Python is properly installed, open the terminal inside VS Code by using the shortcut Ctrl and backtick. Then type python-v. This command will show you the version of Python you have installed, confirming that everything is set up correctly. Next, we need to install some essential Python extensions to enhance your development experience in VS Code. To do this, use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift and X to open the extensions marketplace. Search for and install the following extensions: Python, Python Debugger, and Pylance. These extensions provide powerful features like IntelliSense, code navigation, linting, and debugging. After installing the extensions, we'll set up a virtual environment, which is a good practice in Python development. A virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated from other projects. First, create a new file with a .py extension. Then, open a command palette by using the shortcut Ctrl, Shift and P and type Python create environment. You'll be presented with a list of environment types. Choose .venv. Next, you'll see a list of Python interpreters available on your system. Select the latest version. This will create the virtual environment inside your project folder. Now, let's talk about using the Python REPL or read evaluate print loop. Open a command palette again and search for Python start REPL. This allows you to run Python code interactively, which is great for testing small snippets of code or quickly debugging a function without having to create a new script file. When you're ready to debug your code, you can add breakpoints. Right-click on the line of code where you want to add a breakpoint and select Add Breakpoint. Then, in the Run and Debug section on the left-hand side, click on Start Debugging. This will allow you to step through your code, see variable values, and troubleshoot issues more effectively. A couple more tips to make your Python development easier. You can use the Ctrl and / shortcut to comment or uncomment lines quickly, and Shift, Alt and down arrow to duplicate lines of code. These shortcuts are super handy when writing and refactoring your Python scripts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.